Alright, so if you're a social media manager or you manage multiple social accounts online or you make money online through any means, this method I want to show you in this video will help you create up to 1,000 different social media accounts and you can manage all of them together in one place, and you have 1,001 guarantee that you will not be detected by any of the social media platforms that you are operating multiple accounts on them. You will not only be able to create and manage these accounts together, but this method provides you with automation tools that you can use to automate all your social media account activities like scheduling your posts, engaging with your audience, and keeping your account active without lifting a finger. Now, that makes a whole world of difference. And finally, using this method that I want to show you in this tool, you will be able to create and launch your own social media ads and laser target your customers and viewers from the same dashboard. That means you can run your Facebook ad, Google ad, YouTube ad, TikTok ad, LinkedIn ad, and others, and then you can manage all of those ads from the same dashboard. How cool is that? Now let me show you how to access this tool, create an account with them, and start enjoying all of these benefits. Let's get back to it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is that you want to scroll to the description below this very video, and then you're going to see this link. All you need to do is to copy this link, and then you're going to just copy it out, and then you're going to open your browser, you're going to paste in the link here, and it's going to lead you to the sign up page. Alright, so once it brings you up to this page, you can either sign up using your email address here by typing in your email address here. You can also sign up using Google here directly, and then you can also come here and you can download this AdsPower software on your laptop, and then you can use it from your laptop. So if I click on download here, alright, so you can see here that it's bringing out the options depending on your laptop or your system. Okay, so I am using the Windows, so I'm going to be going for Windows. If you're on Mac, you come and choose the Mac option, and if you're on Linux, choose the Linux option. So I'm going to be going with the Windows 64-bit. I'm going to click on that, and once I do, it's going to download on my laptop. Alright, so my download is complete now, and then this is going to open up on my laptop, as you can see, and I'm going to go ahead and install this particular one on my laptop. Okay, I'm going to agree and install and wait for the installation process to be complete. Okay, so once the installation is successful, I'm just going to click on finish. Alright, so once that is done successfully, you can launch your AdsPower account, and then all you need to do here is to come in here, and then you're going to type in your email address, and then you want to type in your password, or you can actually log in with your Google account. So once your account creation is successful, this is what your new account will look like. Plain and straightforward, as you can see. So if I want to create a new profile, say I want to open a brand new Gmail account, for example, all I need to do is to come here to this blue button where I have new profile here, and then I'm going to click it, and it's going to open this page for me. As you can see, we are on the Generals tab here, and here at the name here, I want to give this profile any name of my choice. Of course, I want it to be a name that I can easily identify with the profile that I'm creating. So I'll use something like, since I'm creating a Gmail account here, I can just say Gmail account 1. As you can see. So here at the browser, we have two types of browsers. As you can see, we have the Sun browser and the Flower browser. If I click here, you will see that this Sunflower is actually running on the Chrome engine. And then if I check for the Flower browser, you can see that this one is running on the Firefox engine. And again, you can select the specific browser that you want to use, as you can see here. So what the Sun browser does is to keep your browser data encrypted and secured, making you undetectable on Chrome. The same also happened with the Flower browser on Firefox. And here at the operating system, we have Windows operating system. On this platform, we have Mac, we have Linux, we have Android, and we even have the iOS operating systems. And as you can see, again, if you click the drop down arrow, you can see here that you can actually pick the particular version of the operating system that you want to use.
can see. Okay, so I'm just going to leave mine at auto here. So here at the group, you can group your profile so that you can organize your dashboard, in a better way. So if I have 3 profiles, for example, for let's say Google, I can come here and create a Google group where all my Google profile can be organized. So again here, I could just say Gmail group. Alright, so I'm just going to select Gmail group and you can see it has been created. And again, I can also create a tag for this if I choose to do so. Alright, so here I'm going to just scroll all the way down here and then I'm going to come to the proxy type. So as you can see here, you can use different types of proxy to create your account. So I am actually on the custom here. That means I can use my own local IP to create my profile here. And again, if I come to the proxy provider here and click on it, you will notice that there are inbuilt proxy providers that are already here on the AdsPower platform. And if I want to purchase this proxy from these platforms, all I need to do is to select whichever one that I want to buy from, and then I can go all the way down to their website. Alright, so here you can actually register on this proxy, create an account with them, and then you can integrate this proxy into your AdsPower account from here. So I'm just going to be closing this for now, okay, and I'm going to be going with my custom proxy, and then if I click on the drop down arrow, and I can just come down here and choose the HTTP. Alright, so once you choose the HTTP here, you should already have your own custom proxy provider. All you need to do is to go there and generate all of these proxy details, and then you come in here and fill them in appropriately. And once you're done, you need to just scroll all the way down here, and very importantly, here at platform, you want to come in here, you want to click on the drop down arrow, and of course you want to choose the platform that you want to create your profile for. And if you don't see the one that you want to create, of course you should see it. You can see here that we have quite a number here. You can also choose others if you don't have it in here, and then all you need to do is just to come in here and then enter the platform domain here. But for me, I'm creating a new Gmail address. I can see it already. This is it. So I'm just going to select my own here, and then that is done. All right, so once you do that, you want to scroll again. You want to scroll all the way down here, and then here you want to create your username and the password for this particular profile that you're trying to create. Okay, you can just use anything just as you like. Once you do that, you come here to this fingerprint option, and then you can just tweak some of these things to suit exactly what you want and make it as unique and customized as possible. For me, you can see that this is quite a number of things here. I love to just leave my own at the default settings as it is here, and then I'll just scroll all the way down. Alright, so here at the advanced section, you can see we have extension here. This is here if you want to use extension alongside your browser, you can always do that and choose your extension here. Okay, so once you do that, you scroll all the way down, and once you're satisfied with your settings, all you need to do is to come to this OK button and click on the OK. Alright, so once you do that, it's going to bring you up to this point, and what you want to do here is that you want to come to this open browser here, and then you want to click on open browser, and once you click, this browser will launch the domain of the platform where you are creating your account profile at, and then you can go ahead and create your account on that particular website or platform.
So this is how you can go ahead and create as many account profile as you want on the AdsPower tool. It's already a long video, so I'll be showing you how to carry out your account automation in another video. And if you also want me to show you how to use the AdsPower tool to run your ads campaign, then let me know in the comments section if I should create a special video to show you how to go about that. Please like this video, share it so that more persons that need this amazing information can get to see it. And if you're an unsubscribed visitor to this channel and you want to see more marketing videos like this one, then hit the subscribe button and turn on the alert bell so that YouTube can notify you when next I make new videos. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.